Hello everyone, so I'm Ms Gupta and I'm here again to help you out with significant figures. So let's say you have to round all of these numbers to one significant figure, two significant figures and three significant figures. Let's round this number to one significant figure. So as this is my first significant figure and now I have to look at the second digit. The second digit is less than 5, so we can't round this number up. That means we will just write down 2 and the rest of them as zeros. So 0, 0, 0. Now suppose I have to round this to two significant figures. So these two, so this is my first significant figure, second significant figure, and now I will look for the third number which is more than 5. So I have to round this number up. So that will become 2400. So let's just write down 2400. What if I have to round this to three significant figures? So this is my first significant figure, second significant figure, third significant figure. Now I have to look for the fourth number. So the fourth number is less than 5. So we don't round this out. We just write down 2, 3, 7 and 0. So 2, 3, 7 and 0. So you got the idea, right? So pause the video and try out these questions now. Did you get them right? So let's verify. So round it to one significant figure. That's my first significant figure. This is less than 5. So I will just write down 5, 0, 0, 0. Next one will be two significant figures. So two significant figures, but I have to round this up. So this will become 5, 5, 0, 0. Now let's try for three significant figure. So again here, so these are my three significant figures. Now the fourth number is 9. So it will round this number up to 10, right? Which is, of course, we are not going to write this as 10, but this will round this up number again. Okay, so that will become 5, 5, 0, 0. So this is interesting. So this number rounded to two significant figures and three significant figures gives you the same answer. Now let's try this one. So rounded to one significant figure, so this will become 6 and the rest of them become 0. So two significant figures, so this will be two significant figures, and now we have to round this up, so this will become 5, 7, 0. Round to three significant figures, so that's that, and we look for the fourth number, so that's 5, so we have to round 8 up, so 5, 6, 9. Now whether you put a decimal or not doesn't really matter unless there was a trailing 0. If there was a trailing 0 and you had to round to three significant figures, we had to put a decimal. Here it doesn't matter. Now round to one significant figure. So 7.3782, one significant figure will be 7 itself. Two significant figure, these, and because this is more than 7, so round this up, so that will become 7.4. Next one, round to three significant figure. Three significant figures are these. Now look for fourth number more than 5, so we round this up. So that becomes 7.38. Next one significant figure is 6. The next number is less than 5, so we don't do anything. So that's becomes 60. Two significant figures. So these are two significant figures. This third number is more than 5, so you have to round this up, so that becomes 65. This one, three significant figures is, these are three significant figures. Now the fourth number is of course 5, so we have to round this up, so that becomes 10. So of course we don't write it 10, so 65.0. because it says round it to three significant figures, it is necessary to put a decimal sign and add a 0. Then only it becomes three significant figures, right? Next one significant figure is 8. So 8, 0, 0, 0. Next one is two significant figures. So 80. Now look for the third number more than is 5. So that becomes 8, 1, 0, 0. Next one, round to three significant figures. Three significant figures are these, and the fourth digit is less than 5, so that becomes 8, 0, 5, 0. Next one, round to one significant figures, that's 99. So this one, so that becomes 100. Now two significant figures are these. Now the next number is more than 5, so you have to round this. So that also becomes 100. So that becomes my two significant figure. And now let's try for three significant figures. So three significant figure, these are my three significant figures. Now look for this. This is more than 5, so round this up. So that becomes 99.9. So round to one significant figure. So this is my first significant figure. Rest of them, I don't need to make 0 to them. You just need to write 0.3. So what happens if you write a 0? Remember, whenever you have a 0 after decimal, it is counted as significant figure, right? So we do not, but we have to round this number to one significant figure. So we do not put a 0, otherwise it will be two significant figures, right? Now we have to round this to two significant figures. So these are my two significant figures. Look for the third one. It is more than 5, so that means it is round this up. So 0.35, and that's it. We leave it like that. Now the next one, three significant figures. So my three significant figures are these, but this one is 6, that is more than 5, so we round this up. Okay, so that will become 0.3. Now because this will become 10, this one, the previous number will become 5, so 3, 5, and now we have to put a 0 to make it to three significant figures. Now number 9, one significant figure is this, so 0.2. Two significant figures are, because the third number is 0, so it remains like this. What about the three significant figures? The three significant figures are these, so you round this. 7 is more than 5, so you round this to 1, so 0.201. Now the last one, 0.06598. So one significant figure is this. Check about the second significant figure, which is 5, of course, so we have to round this up to 0.07. The next one, round to two significant figures. So these are my two significant figures, but this number is more than 5, so I have to round this up, so that will become 0.066. And the last one, three significant figures are these, and fourth number is more than 5, so round this up. So when you round this up, that will become 10. I mean, we cannot write 10 again, so this will be rounded to 6, so 0.066 and 0, because remember, we want significant figure, three significant figures. So these are my three significant figures. Alright, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and you have a better understanding of significant figures. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.